Everyone has a fitness goal of their own. It could be losing fat, gaining muscle, whatever it is. You cannot avoid this concept that I'll be covering in this video. Hello everyone, I am Jit and welcome to A Better Manth. The fitness and weight management industry in Singapore is huge. Revenue in the fitness segment is projected to reach 29 million in 2021. According to a survey done by a market research firm, YouGov, 43% of Singaporeans are unhappy with their current weight. And you wonder why companies are always pushing for you to try their slimming product or program. Today, I wouldn't be talking about any products, but instead a concept called caloric deficit. A caloric deficit is a state where your daily calorie expenditure is greater than your daily calorie consumption. As you deplete the amount of calories stored in your body, you start losing weight. As the body is forced to convert fats and muscle into energy. And one of the ways you can calculate your daily calorie expenditure is through a TDEE calculator, which I will include in the description box below. It is a good estimate based on your height, weight, and level of physical activity. However, before you get too ahead of yourself and go into a deep rabbit hole, here are some tips so that it is a sustainable endeavor. Far too often, people were too surgical with their approach and got burnt out. Tip number 1 is to track your calories weekly. It is absolutely okay to have a day which exceeds your TDEE as long as the rest of the week you are in a deficit. I suggest that you plan your calories for the week rather than for the day. And here is something my friend would always say: one salad wouldn't give you abs, and one buffet wouldn't give you a belly. What matters is the habit of being in a caloric deficit. Tip number 2 is to ask for smaller and healthier portions. Accurately tracking your food every day is hard, and meal prep is a privilege for the few. What we can do on a daily basis is to choose food with lower calories or reduce our food portion. Aim to have your hunger satisfied, not to be full. And always stick to lean protein like chicken and fish, vegetables which are less saucy, and reduce your rice intake. I know those who are in the habit of eating mixed rice would drizzle your rice with curry sauce, but it is easily an additional 200 calories. And lastly, tip number 3, moderation is key. I repeat, moderation is key. You want to eat that new donut from Krispy Kreme or that samurai burger from McDonald's, go ahead. What is life if it's all raw vegetables and bland food? However, remember that the bulk of your diet should be nutrient-dense, minimally processed, low-calorie foods. This weight loss journey will not be smooth, and there will be days when you may overeat. It is a marathon and not a sprint. So if you ever feel discouraged, ring up a friend or the A Better Manth community. Never give up and believe in the right choices you are making. That's all from me, signing off.